Hello aspirants, welcome to IFAS. So this particular news is for Tamil Nadu set aspirants. So students, myself Himanshu, and let's talk about what are the changes that is in Tamil Nadu set examination. So there was a notification regarding the extension. Last date for the submission of application for TNSET 2024 is extended up to 5 p.m. on 15th of May 2024. The Tamil Nadu set is conducted by Manonman Sundarnar University, and they have released this particular notice. Let me tell you the notice also. This is the notice they have released. Okay. Earlier the date was I think 10, and now it has been extended to 15. So there the chances are more that if anybody have forget about it, then there is a golden chance for you. Today is 13, so you better go check out and fill the form. So for general candidate, the fees is 2500, BC, MBC, DNC is 2000, ST, SC 800, and third gender it is free of cost, and correction window and everything has been extended now. Earlier the date was 1 April to 30 April. Now it has been extended for 15 more days. All right, and the examination duration will be 3 hours. There will be no break, as it is this official notification. There will be no break between paper 1 and paper 2. First shift would be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. 3 hours, and the second shift would be 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Whenever there are shifting, when there are more shifts of the same subject, normalization happens. But if your subject is conducted in a one shift only, then no normalization is applied on that particular subject. Okay. So this is the extra news. And what is the eligibility criteria? You have to secure 55% if you are falling in the category unreserved category, and 50% in masters if it belongs to ST, ST or OBCs. All right, so this is the eligibility criteria for you. You can read out it, and there is no any upper limit for TNSET. You can be 40, you can be 45, you can be 50, you can apply for that. And this is the registration portal which is available on app.msutnset.com. Okay. This is the application number, password, and the security code, and this is how you can. This is for the registered candidates, and this is for the new registration. If you are the new candidates, if you are the new candidate, you have to visit the new registration. Okay. So again, I'm reminding you to fill this form. And if you want any mentorship regarding the examination, free prime classes, recorded classes, previous execution papers, teachers handout, paper analysis, exams pattern, cutoff, everything is available on our IFAS website or on our application, which is available on both Google Play Store and Apple iStore. All right. So paper 1 test series is also there. Paper 1 live batch also been conducted. From today onwards, the new batches are recorded course are there for the geography also, for the paper 1 also. Okay. And if you want to be the next NTA UGC NET topper, you can join us. You can join the IFS and you can start your journey, because UGC NET is also been conducted on it is going to be conducted on 18th of May. All right. So be prepared for both examination, and all the best. Thank you so much. And if you are having any problems, you can ask me in the comment box.